All right, everybody, this is the Hobie Passport 10.5 map pocket installation. These are like little rubber pockets that I have on my Hobie Outback, and my wife wanted to get the same ones for the Passport. They're a little bit big, but I'll show you the exact spot to mount them so they fit perfectly fine. All right, we've got the Hobie Passport right here. Another little trick I did, I added the 8-inch waterproof hatch to the back. You can see my other videos for that installation. Here is the rubber map pockets. I'll show you the exact part numbers. Map pocket molded mesh with frame, item number 785-65001. I had to mount them a little bit forward. I wanted to try to center them underneath of those two ends so that it would look symmetrical, but it's too short here and the curve is too much. It won't allow this to bend. You could heat it up with a torch lightly and then get this to bend, but I didn't feel like making any modifications that might affect the integrity of the frame. So the map pocket comes with all of the screws. They also have these small zip ties in the areas for shipping so that this doesn't separate. I'm going to leave those on there until I take this out into the sun. I'm going to leave it sit so that this area here just kind of molds itself into the side. You can see it's just slightly bent, but it fits perfectly. I did one on each side, so when you're sitting in the chair, you can reach up, grab a cell phone, grab your pliers, fish hooks, whatever it is that you need to get. It's actually pretty convenient, and they look pretty good. They're stretchable. They've got quite a bit of room inside of them, and they're also bowed out slightly, and they've got the little Hobie symbol on the rubber stretchy. The frame fits in good. Just make sure you don't over tighten the screws as you put it in. I mounted the tops first so that they were below the edge so they don't catch on anything. And then I worked my way down from there and across so that it all blended and molded right in. Fits perfectly. You can see the spacing that I have so that you can get an idea. It's almost a third of the way from the Scotty or the Yak bracket. That's it. That's just another modification that I've done on the Passport 10.5. And like I said, you can see my other video for the 8-inch hatch that fits in the back just perfectly. Kayak safe, everybody.